Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. Lord, you're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything.
Hello, Abusia, and then so yenya kwan say yebesan Asia award the community and the law so live on BWTV. You're from your Reku Frimpon. We're also live on BW Radio, as you know. And the last Saturday of the month of July 2022. Now, there may be someone that's saying, how did you find the Kitaunsaman, as we all know it in Ghana? July starts the second part of the year, and we're moving straight into the last part of the year. Now, you be saying, say, have we had enough education in the law? I don't think we will ever have enough. I don't think any may sign but may invite you say join us on the community and the law. Now, and the very interesting topic, bro, as you can find on your screen, how to apply for leave to remain as a victim of domestic violence. Lawyer Charles Asmah will be our resource person, and he's coming from BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, Award 214-218, Tottenham High Road, no so Seven Sisters, North London. Yakoha, Yafa, Victoria Line, you see Seven Sisters. Using exit number 2, we go to the 4th floor of the Anna House. And our Ube Fre 11 0208 493 7340. And as I walk Ghana na upe UK immigration lawyer papa and you na ufre 050 462 2794 050 462 2794. Enti Mr. Kamiho na enne ensoso yenkonkodi enkomono. Na wo question wo concern bi a obetimi texting obetimi ensoso afraying whilst we live. Na wo dey abraying na Lawyer Charles Asmah ebeboa na wayi ano. Abusia, it is the community and the law. Hello, lovely Saturday afternoon. And may come for a mouse when you're quina when you call the forum a boying and my lawyer for penny for Edin Como. Now fi oboyemi ate emrano ase. Lawyer for penny for bank and make BWF Solicitors. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to BWTV, BW Radio, live on Facebook, BWTV, live on Facebook, BWF Solicitors, and live on YouTube, and also a BWF Solicitors and BWTV. Ukwa Ghana, a modern Ghana platform, also. Ubenya yeng ewo radio section no na wa etie yeng ewo BW Radio. So ebi onso so say oko www.bwcommunications.co.uk ubenya yeng ewo hot na fe enkoma yede ebre wusabre onso wanya ho emfaso bi na say waba so a na enema miensa na mpesa wo ye emame go onto the page, like the page, click the share button, let's share to all your platforms. Then again, notification button, that small bell, cling, 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 that click on it and subscribe to your channel. No sebeya, there you ever to jobia unsa ebe kabi. Your friend will reku also from porn, and then koma yede brewo no very interesting. We'll see how to apply for leave to remain as a victim of domestic violence. Yankasa boninsi, yankasa sabi ukru ana wiri onshe wenye ya ewo fie. But say eba so sa na wasitna enyanwie peye no, ekwan ben so na obetimi apply for leave to remain when you're going through that situation. And unti Mr. Who question, who experience be any idea, but what the Abra BTB na lawyer betcha or acquire over faso enya ukrata was that situation. And which you know so me a sure pass or many other questions immigration issues over to me a day a home and como abre ye now will be sat lawyer home questions near the lawyer be yano. And then, many minia babi bedin komo every Ghana na the ibedi home komo no the experience he has had in her application, certain category of application, nina experience awenya. She's going to share that with us and is going to enlighten so many things for us. And unti share and also yeah well nugget segments and any way a quiz segment and also ebeba. It's all fun whilst we're learning about the law and all the other issues. And the program, as I said, is brought to you by BWF Solicitors. Omo 214-218 Tottenham High Road, so Seven Sisters, North London. Yebefre 0208 493 7340 and answer 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors is being in existence for 30 years now, and a big announcement is coming. But yeti onkra yemrasisia.
Yeah, fema yewo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ni ya redare ewo mransemu. Eye legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene chichaji wo na ye bonso nyeden kra. Yen partner penimpa, Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron, 29 years. BWF solicitors kra won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care, eya abofrahwe mu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Any oshe ana injunction yede to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Ye child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe ne ya wo brei mu. Enu ntin ye to ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Ye senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni how kra upe advice immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner member na wasagina tum Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni how kra. Ye be an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nunsia 9:30 a.m. kosi 6 p.m. And a memory danso appointment nkwa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Your fourth floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister ya gyina tomu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
BWF Solicitors and yete wo enkra no eniti hye so number na me sign for ma obi 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 announce 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors yeti won so a na ya sorry emfa enkon kofifa baabia na obi ankoye obukata na no atwi no ho aba kyerɛw nti mesrɛw sɛ eba no emremu a bomodin afa wani ehwɛ BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors ya mo asio moma afi yenko na afi yenkofa yen nuggets na yede ebrewo ebrebia no ento edwa na de woka ene se Emrano titi foreign criminals who've been sentenced to terms of imprisonment into 2 categories. Those sentenced to at least 12 months, but less than 4 years, and remember, we will know them as medium offenders, can avoid deportation if they can establish that its effect on a qualifying child or partner will be unduly harsh, known as Exception 2. Those sentenced to at least 4 years, serious offenders, can avoid deportation if they establish that there are very compelling circumstances over and above those described in Exceptions 1 and 2. Section 32 Bodex Act of 2007, where a case be H.A. Iraq versus Secretary of State for Home Department 2022, UK Supreme Court 2022 and a buy data was on just the 20th of July 2022. And year 30th, not just about 10 days ago, and as a year ruling a buy. Messiah Kaini Bill was said the law separates foreign criminals who have been sentenced to terms of imprisonment into 2 categories. Those sentenced to at least 12 months, but less than 4 years. That is medium-term offenders can avoid deportation if they can establish that its effect on a qualifying child or partner will be unduly harsh. This is known as Exception 2, yeah? NRFA was say those sentenced to at least 4 years, that is serious offenders, can avoid deportation if they establish that there are very compelling circumstances over and above those described in Exceptions 1 and 2. Lawyer Asmah eba na fi obeka yensa mema watonobo na webie mu achre emra no de kofa baaye yese nano yawada mse wokaya platform ya so any channel ya so lawyer Richard Bodunkroma ema yehu se enema bi wo a yese waye wo offenses ne ade bia eno etimi prevent from making some applications, no, or so am I what the exceptions could be. And when so exceptions square can different category any and mame and kase say lawyer transepe definitely yade sa and mono ebeba. And no actually no Mr. Mame emfa when so and tuja emfa emma say upase will apply for UK visa. The right visa option. When you're completing your application forms and processes, documents are also buano now di tukwan. Nina maybe sase unim seni on. Some people are confident enough to do it, yes, but others, probably like myself, may not be confident enough to do it. And the ambassador me catch winina and sabomodia na fa wo ekodom BWF Solicitors. Omo number no a year 0208. 493-7340 and your UK number. But who are Ghana? na se opese one BWF disa nkomo na what show the right way to make your applications. Now select the right visa. I will apply for one. Now offer 0302 250 9235 0302 509 235. I know your landline. And I said mobile, I will Ghana. MTN number no 0244 269 233 0244 269 233. Omo address no baby omo one say wow person nante ekoho. Obetimi akoho number 13 Opewo Mensa Avenue. North Adringa no East Legon ena office no ewo nti hyɛ so na any BWF Solicitors any nkita ho sɛ opese oboa in your applications any ho ensem no and actually no Mamin Kai will say if you want to make a very successful visitors visa application and no me boss no no other name than BWF Solicitors. Yeah, I was for Sabre idea Miss Sure Pass Mitri I say met me amount the opportunity to understand and know what it is that I am talking about. Say about nageta na that screen so no. Mensa aka minia lawyer Charles Asmah ewo studio ha lawyer Charles Asmah lawyer ewo BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors sani yaboso no omo edi akotene ewo ye niema ahodo a ye fa no emramu ene ho ensam kan ahodo ne nyina BWF edi mu akotene pa lawyer Charles Asmah me mu akwaba na po mo yeah clear on point July abesin ko na earlier on na me bisa say ye ka kita wonsa it's a difficult month to go through because which your first year no July first half of the year July seemed to be very long. But Nancy, you better have a coffers. In any case, until any of our but I hope say a Jumemoni at the Enina a come up. Okay, good. You about say last week Nanaya Chuma. Naya Chuma and Pacho the link now last week a day Emma one say Utia. Click on that link and we'll have that conversation quickly. And Sakrani Bia, ya day yang nugget home nkomono a day aba. The entire aba no me pese obekaya hono say our experience be a particular application or and I would want us all to share her experience. Enti aba nana ya chumwa amwa nana ya chumwa amwa mpacho say ubetimi afraying ewo your link na de ma no so just click on that link na yemfa won to so but if you're having any challenges please let us know we'll rather call you back from here enti abusia say afi na wabaso abomodi answer we pick a link na wa share de amma yen well lawyer mami insign browse bi na mimisa moma yen nugget bi ama yede etoto nsemo a eja ekoso no ho na making kind of technicalities we say Moses Supreme Court case be about 10 days ago and the BWF the trustemosa ja edri na mobatum na mode amai me bacho wadarama na eda so na se obetimi abibi na so kakra mai
yo me that's bebre anti am say before ebechia no ebehwe nugget no senior ya boss no tie for we offer our greetings right after the nugget. And we are fresh. July 2022 Supreme Court UK ruling. The case of HA. I can say, Eunice says there will be a UK memo under Section 32 Borders Act 2007. That's the Ujibonia. That's a signing panel on year. British near natural said I as a whole deep one year as a very term we are as a cool and different deportation. Now deportation we know the post war now a papa said to me and new ends now on my
lawyer mpacho mame ebre simabi na afi me hwem say o mic no from kakra na wadarema yemfa ento so ma atiefo nti pacho twa me ketu emi meba. Okay, lawyer say, I feel me sure some better than Kappa na we're having signals until lawyer Papa. Yeah, lawyer now we can't na get to know how answer who can be many ajipa say we a fresh pa. Inti yes I cause we na whatever much I say the tree moment.
Yo, tonight me tremu say ye wo embra e wo UK o man emu. Ye embra War Border Act 2007 no emu no na ne ewom ne say we ye hoho na say wudi ebonea na bone no eko wie say ye de wo kwatwiri mu ana say ye de wo ekotumu a ye wo serve wo jail term ni wie a na akwate say hoho a odi bone de entimi ne ntena oman ne mu Santi, as I said, they'll call Ukrum.
Okay.
And now, no friend of deportation. And he was say, we near do call Ukrum. Question is, say, be or how be to me the attitude of and be or how be to me the attitude of and tonight, I share more as I say, we are exceptions. But before that, you know, senior yenimo, ye war offenses, no, a hoodoo. Edi offense no ebi emu eyedu SCB ebi ma beka say enye so you okay na mum medium
and say boni bia boni but the offense bi mu odu esin ebi eden ne be ma ebi mu ayedu sin ebi me wi ade ya cheme me de car bo bi ka mu medwane me person call the extreme, but some of these things, matomra bebre, na ebi mu yedu sembi.
Yo, enti never ma we mu ebi ayedru no depend on a year sentence ye de beto wo so. Because ye bo kwedu na edi kogina say abemu and say court na edi wasem wi a na ye bo ye sisu say no correct na ye kan no sa na tie dia and the judge no and abema sentence limit no.
Okay.
And the sentence limit no e be up to 12 months. E be a bi kura de ya na community sentence. Ko prapra na yinjawo. E bi omo ana ya say suspended sentence. Ya sentence wo back. Senior tenancy ya dey won no say ukona wo ye biemu di na wo ba ya be ma wo double. Let us say a suspended sentence no. Obi o ma like say we dey said no kwatwiri mu custodial sentence. Na ye no kwatwiri mu a e bia na kwatwiri mu at least 12 months. In the 12 months na just say ye do kwatwiri mu 12 months no abi o ma ne dey could up to 4 years. Obi o ma ne dey bro 4 years. Inti one dey bro 4 years no ye can say a serious offense. Serious offense. So now kind know we have categories, and we are not talking about types of offense, but I can say a serious offense. Now you do mu at least 4 years nene abro dia na wono wo dia na serious. Na sa wo dia no you do mu bia 12 months alfa afi baako na endu 4 years no dia na tesa wo dia no eye hu so eye hu bebre. Yes, medium offense and that's offender. Na ewo minister sesa nimpa we o 7 no time wie na yedne yesi yonko ni kromu a kwan ben so no befa otumi dia ayede atete ne ho ho na ye be hwe especially ye omo dia na medium offense no ye be hwe omo cases but ye wo other things no exceptions to this deportation rule no The offense is again linked to the seriousness of the offense no a wa commit no any jail term no a yede ama wo no.
Na say me for the say mako 4 years. And I say mama sentence 4 years, we could demo 4 years. Yeah, I was say yede me ko. Na me come krum because men sneha me born no so. But me woba me wayire me ye charity kakra me volunteer eniema bi mu me bone na aba na me eno no ebetimi agina mu ama ye ka say ye mfa me nko because of ties am wo any suban bi am betimi ayi na die
enti ehwa na ye be hwe grade yemfa ntutus yemfa say a grades enti the lower grade no and it's a medium offense no ya be hwe say nipa wa committee medium offense ba ebia owo sene awokae no owo ba ewo krom ha owo yere ewo krom ha owo sa ties no familiar ties no ewo krom ha enye ono na ye hwe per se but the fact say ye de ono ko a ebusuafo na akechire no omo dan no omo ho ebechire ho. So this is going to bring harsh consequence on the child involved or the partner involved there. You behwe eno ho ama nimpa no ya no exception to the rule say because say you need them eko the crew. Let's just say Article 8 abem ewo baby. Human right abeshim ewo baby. By no right per se, but the right of other people involved no say or no ni ho a untold hardship na baba nkwala no ane oyere no aka no so no asam ebeba ebi kura no yokunu na aka echiro oba no na bia akoye bone na okunu so ho ba chire no nti we look at the partner involved nti ehwo no na SSA hwese nkwala wo mu di a na se nipa no wedie waye bone ya serve akọ serve 12 months up to 4 years but endu 4 per se but embro 4 years no so there na so wankwala de obetumi ahwe nkwala no so na wa process omonhwe nkwala no so na omonye den enja no na ontna ha say if you say ya twe na so ai den ehwie obi so man dey is so serious an offense to the extent say na kotum 4 years na mbro ye wakwaba yebetumi na tena na we are talking about policy guidance on what we call the public good. Nti saa nipa we ya wakodem 4 years na wasan abey what are the exceptions so ho a yebetumi aka say okay yebetumi agina we so na dey adan akwansida no tena che so no na die no akwasoro asen won a wo behwe nkwala ene oyere ana okunu as a yardstick to say I want to stay. Nti no mrano a ekọ court here epie emu July 2023 where a Supreme Court case of HA and then the Secretary of State. Who the Secretary of State there now it has to do with immigration. And now can say nipa no betumi avoid deportation there. I just say or share say yet no kwa and I say deporting no ni deportation nature no. Nsunsu aso no ebe wa nkwala no so anase ne yere nukunu eso no ebe unduly harsh. What is unduly harsh is an assessment. We look at nkwala suku komu nkwala wonyini mu nkwala obi bia bia mami oye busy papa no oye bibia anase papa ye busy mami no oye bibia na all of a sudden yase baako emfi kro no mu anase ye de baako ekọ o my foforo so because of bone awaye. Let's say suddenly no there's going to be serious change in family circumstance ebe create problem ama maame no ene nkwala no ebi mu kra no anhwe ye kra na afa omutimu because momentary no mu hu ni omede ombeye it would me prove said there will be undue consequence on the children and the partner involved in there. Then you can rely on the case of HA to make your case. Again, nkrofon so a yedin wakotum 4 years plus no. They are not just going to rely on the children and the partners involved, but they have to prove that there are compelling circumstances.
Say you can compelling circumstance in this situation. And no na me boso ni bi na na. Say betimi aye yade, e betimi aye family ties or anything that or kwa ebedi obi nya rather than no or kono and no compelling circumstances.
To me, it was the first one there objective nkwala or yere okunu. Nti say omo ho nko ade it's but when you know anything that can be considered say so nipa we okwa be on one so we serious yare.
Okay.
Or on medication now or a series of medical reviews now there. In the same nipa we find why bone na so actually try say ya de twin no ya de amano. Na yes ya de na kwa what will happen to on one life. So you have to bring a host of evidence to prove says they make call and that be a na watch anasa bosumi cry be na to me. So it's about life as opposed to punishing the individual.
Okay.
Then you're also talking about communal support, positive contribution to the community. But Obia will make a positive contribution to the community. No? How do we equate that to Bonnie Noir? We could so that cannot so much be the case. It's in the interest of the public to allow this person to say simply because we're involved in community activities, one or the other. But it's a complete and holistic assessment.
Okay.
It's not just a simple tick box exercise. So because the way, and that's it. Especially when you go to the second threshold now, or say compelling. Compelling means because beyond normal reasonableness. So okay, we there. Say I'm an exception.
Because okay, I was say I know joining the community and the law and you was lawyer Charles Asmah and resource person go for BWF Solicitors as say and ababa way and na you did me brewe me hu say do na e line so yeah some kind ya hwe nua na ya twemwa anim na ya but you signed the producer signed the link and I send the one tea. As we mentioned, no, you bet me and the akasa on video. Send yes answer Diana, just be a far audio notes the amount. Now, young shek one was way, now fame more aquaba. You were Emmanuel Alute, fellow brothers and sisters. Ima, thank you very much. The next one, Dakua Christiana. Very informative. And okay, our program media information papa Emma at all. Say minia ba nanaya aba ahmanso. Nanaya bacho et say. Hello, Timenga. Hello, Naya. Hello. Oh, Nanaya line, no, I say, okay, Nanaya, we'll try and reach you again. I mean, himself, all experience we are say one and share, and we agreed to pick that one up today. Yam call Lyrical Black or say good evening, Kweku and Lawyer Lyrical. Thank you very much. You were Pati Dapa. Okay. Thank you very much for staying with us in our sit. In short, Nana ya chumwa amwa. Hello, BWF Solicitors watching all the way from Ghana in our sit. Nana Jimai, hooray! Class prefect in Ankasa ewa. Or say please share, and share. Enti so na wa share ade amai reka amakon ewa ha minyaba onso so yada sit. He says, my dear brother. Waiting a fraying Wabra Alliance to be active no 07399208468 07399208468 and I will send a text on our WhatsApp at the Amayan 07950422780 07950422780.
Hello.
Nana, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Bacha to say.
But on your madam boko, may try to make you see late, but I don't know. But why?
And Yahi, you ever say, Anaka, but some of us who are more fekaka.
Ah, the person me didn't interest.
Which has our tribe you are.
Okay, my main try share you.
Yeah, in just a minute. Katiwina try no me just say bit me a dry now. Why? Okay. You know about no experience. We send dika kind or per se or ne a channel and ne. Now Asmah, she had a difficult case, very difficult one. Na I'm saying on tip in Kakra, and it went on and on and on and on. Delays are befremu, case no ekotomu sebeye beba. The ambassador Kenya na say or the bedine BWF Solicitors. Emma akoye. Na it wasn't just a very simple case. It wasn't a simple case at all. Enti opese oka ma obi hunu how she felt when the case came up, how she felt when she gave it to you, and how she's feeling wabra results and now say decision abasere mo ekanon. Na last week we no friend was my friend was campus me banambeka, but I promised her say ene yebema no aba program no so now about and she wanted to come via video, but unfortunately said the link no baby or what nim say nsuo kakra bi to won kran dia bia na ntimi ava but yeah try no mama in call yi text message no so I say always a pleasure to hear from BWF Solicitors. God bless you for the love for the community. Unia edasipi yami insha. Inti ubaswa yeah live it will BWF Solicitors Facebook page. Yeah live it will BWF Solicitors YouTube. Yeah live it will BW Communications Facebook. And BW Communications also YouTube and live on the radio BW Radio. You see our faces and you also listen to us on the radio. Me wan kofo bebre ho ya na mo say do maybe a afina oh my busy kakra and tia there be no nya da agent your video no. But when the radio is in the background, otie enya all the information needed. Okay. Mini Abam say line no intimi I think we might have to pick up the audio. And yes sir, lawyer, mami min call mami try say Mr. Mekani bi. Me try a friend na my headset Mr. Mekani. Nana.
Yes.
Okay, I'm say video name man ti yan common so. Na me bo lawyer man yes see say there's this experience you want to share with us. Now Yanko na yemisa said uncommon no eyede.
But my two some uncommon.
Uncommon no boy mu.
Men common and say the year 2020 December no. Asem me ma no e to prove. Na me ni ho. And being the only daughter, and said you kakra obi beka for common sense that you say and kamina kabibia esi.
Oh nice.
But that time now one papa bi e wo ho. If papa ne so capitalize on the relationship and trust me mama e wo ma no. And deceive me. Me can say deceive me. Onim control don't say being the only surviving daughter of the deceased no. Anka I was there home office. Na okatro mo say we can on the organ. Fan bra na ombesi mo. Ana obeche me kwan solicitor na ka omboa na ye say. But ono momu etu so many mami ye nyama basta ono so ye nyama basta not our hidden agenda. But ni nyina mu na me because me na me wa ha ne be because me ma me so ofia no kan be bia say so owu a me hwe na manfa na mbaga etina chese kwan bia ye me ma me. This was one chairman, one way, and I mean to not extortion. We're gonna anyway from your wait to say. At the end of the day, Nanya made this one. And you know, was a sign for apply you na me pay lawyer. Or no, whom them said the papa ya do not looking for fact. And no muna make apply second one. And Madam B kyerɛ me sɛ baby no sɛ mefa lawyer ɛwɔ hɔ no ho na ɔbɛka me ɛnyɛ saa deɛ a sɛdeɛ papa wɔ yi ɛho kura ɛnyɛ adɔ me ba fam na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔfa me maame bia ampa nso sɛ na wafa mpo awie eti ɛnam so ma obi kyerɛ me BWF fine ɛna first mekɔsi awuraba bi so wɔ yɛfrɛ no Beatrice eti Beatrice no ɛna ɔne meka so ɛyɛ adeɛ a fɛm bi yɛ seesei so ɔde lawyer owusu number ɛna
Wow. Okay.
okunu lawyer Bernard ɛna na baabi a wɔ biara pia ɔnkwa so na papa yi ne ka masɛ no nyinaa no papa yi agye otuam ɛkyɛ so ɛna ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ mewɔ pia na fɛm no wei deɛ ɛnyɛ den no mekwa na menim sɛ ɛnyɛ yie because obi a mekɔ Ghana deɛ bɛyɛ den obi ɔte UK a ɔsan yɛ citizen man so ma ne yɛ yie so yɛse ofie kwan wa obi deɛ fa obi deɛ so na wonni yanom a ɛna obi wɔ kawafa wa do BWF ɛna bobɔ BWF deɛ ɛyɛ kyerɛ me ne deɛ obi sa me bia no idi so ma no na nhyira nka nyame sɛ after
Hello, Naria. Well, lawyer, I'm saying Casey, Kaya, she's come on the radio a few times. Waboso and I was called by the my year and Timia Ma and one seminal Bibrebe. Eventually, the na or Pesa Emrano Ayamano. She's had it because principal a year Uncle Ben saw case in the mo and whoever was involved, you know, and you know, eventually everything she sought the courts, relieves our seeking the courts and Yamanani Adina, and Sa Etimi Aka. Hopefully she will come back, but that is the success story. And the Empaswa Manfu Inya will BWF Solicitors. Into Madame, when I saw
you, you are not telling the BWF story, but you are inspiring and encouraging others. You see, you only get to know some rare ejuma only when you are in trouble. And you call some penso no share who said BWF or hono or there are some no bad and I'm happy to share in this success story.
Oh, winning story.
And yeah, can I say.
Well done, well done.
Yeah, can I say.
We're back into
okay.
Yeah. Now, yeah. Well, I know. Yeah. Lawyer Charles Asmah Elwaha, and he's proudly said he's happy to share in the Sussex story. And so say reliefs our year a day pana or more ayama say not necessarily BWF, but Emrad not saying and I say dear mouse say.
Sir, Papa no as far as no, I mean, we can say 1 month, COVID. Yeah, then the call a journal for pension, any BBR, the bank. Now, it's a wedding minimum, but BWF bear no. Step by step, no. They were able to annul all that.
Okay.
And you know, they say, I know. Normal realize say papa no a woman a woman. It's you know, men are a woman of lawyer who any team no. The pension no is a woman. And I no dining so including the bank account.
Oh, okay. Like I said, you didn't lose out on anything.
No, not at all.
Not at all. Okay, good. One of the areas of law was a Krum Higher family. This falls into that category as well.
we have wills and administration of a state, probate, in terms of the inheritance aspect. And na so idea but you know we have what we call core areas and other areas. But lawyer there utumi law but obi o best specialize in one or the other. By no interest so we be but dan nipa no a ontumi e den endi we.
Na ya ti den na be catch for any potentially clients of BWF.
Any potential clients of BWF BWF AFM or the they are a very serious and dedicated lawyers. I was some no say because I didn't have any document in our own related money. Now, so where's the own and of BWF and that will be more chance. And I made the better way to see the youth community more honest there. Almost shamu education no. Now, almost no, you said the church, I'll give them great service. I don't know how to show you guys back for free. It's no emotional. Now, assembling to do no corner lawyer for bedroom BWF Solicitors. There for immigration, there for family. Everything. I trust it BWF with money. Thank you.
Okay. Now, CP, we're so proud to say also watching the benefit of BWF Solicitors or more services. I mean, insure. Because I need to say why.
Okay.
All right. CP. I mean, ensure. You have to a program also. Last one.
Good. Congratulations.
You feeling very good.
I always are. You are part of the success stories.
Good. Say, a review be or testimonial be. You can go on the BWF Solicitors website and that and now say Google. You can leave a review for BWF Solicitors. Nanaya, I say I'm out for NT no more NSHE Nafi or more NT the ear corner. I say, Prince, I don't understand the story of the woman. Mamina said, they said, or Mammy free mu UK or no Ghana. Na nka Japadie any Mammy pension near the Yakwa could deal because any Pacrone dear Nimu, I papers near the and Remuno and Ka. Yeah, the man not and one, but or then hope about BWF Solicitors or more, 80 agent and more Emma, dear, Yenny dear Bia, Nensa Aka, and she thinks that she can't hide the story. Alex, Uncle Ben has said this case before. Alex, it's true. Along the line, not in C, along the line, no, I frustrated. No, feel severe. I didn't know any my application back. You know, mommy, Vista Crime Rabbit, no cross. Yes, it's true. Uncle Ben has mentioned the case before and it's gone to its conclusive end. Ninsa Aka, I was set Ninsa can be. Well, lawyer, this dovetails into our discussion also very well. Sir, I'm not for a war if ye any abuswemwa. They are violated. Domestic violence and semi. Mepe say yebeshe say obi a war if ye bimu or family bimu or relationship ni dinania. There's a law, immigration laws, for instance. If even ipakrana.
Yo, that's Bibre. Let me offer greetings to viewers and listeners. It's here for for your fat if you so HL or baby or a biara. That our sister Nansu when you're a bray now are joining a community and the law program is so say yensia na yanko yenim. And here that was Bibre, ye chair ejmekua a war BWF Solicitors. asoya Uncle Ben eda ano. Yo brother kusenya wo bisa ye no. Domestic violence ade a edi nkrofo bebre enya. Especially obi o ma obi feel say ono na ode wa ba abrochire. And you have to give them all the worship that you should give to God.
Some of them do buy.
Oh no, do buy. 1 year I say okay, and the natural say me na me do buy. Edu ha ye be hu. Edu hia, edu say o renew ne visa. Kobasa nipa ni suro. Bring friend of blackmailing, emotional blackmail. Oba okasa na wabo hu. Because one person obey dey, ebre no be so no be gasa on ye ma. Tino obeye bia no yes masa sa na obi o ma otewa na abono yare mental health obi o ma da house ho kra na wewu na we jai krata no kra den ewo ho but question is say e could do some pempenso na should you say because be lose krata na some brano ebie ekwai emawo and na ye nkomo no say how do you apply for leave to remain as a victim of domestic violence? Let's just say one kasa no ubi. So be ma no waji wo atenemu. Ana so oba no waji wo atenemu. Nyamba no pe. E no mu go through abuse. E wo relationships mu. Men so e go through bi. So we are looking at both ways. We are be ma you can do it. We are oba so you can do it. The rules apply to both, provided say we a spouse will depend on the other party for your leave.
Okay, and let's look at it. What really constitutes domestic violence? A bro, a so we do what and now say or no de wa banimti e wo mu na obon training say emotional blackmail say wo de town na twen na wo be hu. What constitutes domestic violence in this situation?
Violence, bibia, if I say heja, or the atete, eba. Heja no could be anything. Na then leads into assault. Boni mra defining assault say apprehension of least violence. Bibia beya me feel violated no assault of nature that nature. Nti e be bobo nyoma e betumi create abuse e wo relationship mu a ye beke say because if exi wo fie nti domestic violence either say be man na auditia oba no and say oba na auditia be man no and e koba side nkwala wo ma it extend to cover nkwala no eso. When omu hunu ne omu tini na omu ye no affect omu well-being. Nti tetulu nkola wo mu a aya na ye so serious. Nti ebi ti say matcha say motina bomu anabia waka kiro oba ne say wo ye adwuma. Sika wo benye bia fama me. Cause me na me do ba ye. Se bio ni a wo de ebe ye wo ho kra no eyi se wo bi same asa me de ama wo. No my culture say
what do we slave no
fanisa
okay
no my culture say me ametumi akotobe you obe bi fufuru ama wo enti bibia wo pesa wo to ne de ne boarding why a me na me do buy na me nim ne ye ema wo that's abuse. You are violating the person ehwemu a enti what that financial aspect no ne what physical aspect pupo any insult we can assume then one say then that will even lead into crime because then that's going to be what we call create BWF actual bodily harm or grievous bodily harm. Apart from say nipa no go through that in crano say nipa back no so commit criminal offense say koye pupo na moja pie and say or hurting no in one way or the other. Bonus no so now all sort of and now so say obi o ma ne de no enye say pupo physical but emotional. Bia waji phone mfa ma wo waji phone ko bi ofra we bia mpese me hu all those things no abuse ekoso ewo nipa no kwaka okay say okay wa no say the we yan no me de wa ba wie we yan no edu ho a enche aka wo 6 months ye behwe nipa no or we na say who abuse nipa no emotionally ontumi nka ana obi kura to make say wo ka kire obi na mete a wo behu eno so no na che say wo ha nipa no say nyoma ya bobo so nyina emotional abuse, psychological abuse, physical abuse, financial abuse, even sexual abuse. To the extent say bia ba mpemu agudie na say nipa na akọ adwuma ba wa bre na say wan fa mame a me hwe nye won krata no ma na che say ono de enso kra no na eye isa nyoma nyina no ekoso ewo
obi people can be very crafty about these things. Say odi nipa nani or abuse no emotionally, physically, blackmailing here and there, but no way nani on country will say it drew how behu what you want from me and that's when you
say abehwe
train na behu so one can krata na sem kra na can I use that to say I suspect this person is going to do this to me because of the threat or the
well, you are not actually looking at nkrata numpo per se. Because the domestic violence, I'm being violated in the relationship. Right. Do you stay in till something happens and I say you take action because we who signs on the wall. Okay. And he said, "Kobasa, signing panwa." Listen, kobasa na say separation eba and I say entity muba. Question says, "Signing pa we on to our diana so emao." A horna a bind bebemu. Then you are no longer relying on some sponsor way, but a best sponsor. Okay. But senior, no say one no idea, nipan the betrayal. It's woman no yadi because when you say, okay, me train or yama me train or yama that's way. Oh, but the question is, it's not a matter of BB kwaso. You have to prove it, and then no. Okay,
now, but how do I successfully prove say nipa say on into I'm emotionally abused? How do I prove it?
Well, say a story. You have chronology.
Yes, a court to say
I mean, nipa say on that. Of course, you have to then account for the number of times I see. One say was okay. It's important, what the sex abo etimoding.
How do I record this?
Oh, we are bema. First of all, we are bema. And so ba bema and so on the menda. And so ba and so on the menda. Me na me ya bema. Me you so on the menda. Or abuse me sexually. And I do be na or address a camera. And so me kono ho say I will show you where power lies.
How do I prove
well, say if this has happened for a long time. If you are bad, so can be ministers to say, "Ampa, we are here in Tina, Miss Mede, Mayanesa." But because one to be say, we see now one kai a bread do I see, and I say, bro, even first one who cried then, a see, anytime or the last one who cried then, a see. But what does it?
Text message. What has this got to do with immigration? Share.
Yeah.
Okay, so lawyer, now what saying acquire befa so na you have documented these things near report because evidence is the name of the game. The names are maybe say number year to it. What are the other ways of trying to get this documented and get getting reported? Yo,
and senior you know anything to do with assault, a criminal offense. So you have to report it. Your first call with the police. Okay. Until you report to the police. Ebi a kwaswa about usuru sekra wo beka ho asem. But actually no say no why ye bibia amfa ho a. Ana kra say you have confided in your GP. Okay. Some of them are so overt that you obi kra na obeka se fesie. Ade no elho. So there's nothing be our bowma at the weniso. Mark Edda when you and I say Boja Akoda Weniso. Would you pure chroma or be and that's how you call GP? When a GP crabbing home says what happened? And obviously no, you have to take action. But say what report to our GP. And I said, would GP who be someone some GP bad advice say for police station. If you wouldn't cry or no bad advice, so but Uber report to a police be ma reference say ampa we IC and one report a hasa and that way. But my online and that's about me call face to face police station or yes report no. If you maybe say, do you want to press charges against the person? Senior American is assault. So the police will ask if you want to press charges because it becomes a criminal offense. Of course, we nimpa ono na odi waba. Bia obeka say no krani me person kwala nti say ebe tuno nti we de person me de me fa ho di no. But police will still record it and says okay, one person by president charges against the person. But no interest say na waka no omo emfa ye den ejuma. Nti from there, no, we pull GP aware. They will also be referred to charity organizations in terms of other male refuge and I say female refuge. And either way, no charities or who almost share some for no more go through abuse no ebuawo. A bill more na senior akwaya no won't mean na fear ho. They have to relocate you elsewhere temporarily for your safety and that of the children. Okay. But you should be able to catalog all the events and I said things are AC boom up to that point no we can want some actual police and I say GP no. The same way na say a do say wo kode ade we ekwadan aban say mun hwe we na mun ye hu bribi emamia. You have to then tell the lawyer all these, including getting the evidence from the police, from the GP, from say biomukra na social service for abem. Then you get something from the biomukra na school for getting involved because of nkwala na omo you get something from there. To be bia ade no ekodu bia no, you have to get something to show the progress awaye efa sa ade no ede ehun. Because I'm being abused or violated in a relationship and I say fear why now because oh me ya hoshi when you hoshi and then you okay.
But say obi baby in free no our culture we promote submissiveness say oba submitting clinical bema no be a situation be koso me very cross my call cancer sebe me sorry I will bomb assume pay ne ade. Can somebody outside of the relationship catalog some of these things and report on behalf of the victim?
Yes. Obibe to me a blow whistle. Now you see which one will have weight. We now wait, but which one a wait here? Now who bokwa report to understand you obibe report amao.
Obviously,
exactly. Because wasem. So to deal with the police, you have to, especially when it comes to adult. So if you're a vulnerable person there, somebody can intervene. Because a vulnerable person, the moment you are whistle blowing the authorities will take action on behalf of Nkwalano. But young colasum and I can mammy no as a papa noir or abusive relationship emuno. When necessary there was some equidine either say GP or culture. It depends on also the level the type of assault or equaso ewo. Emotional there is quite difficult to but you become withdrawn. A lot of some signs will show. Then your GP can even pick it up. So no, you always like this. What's going on?
What's going on?
Then they would use their counseling and psychological skills to obtain information from you with a view to see how best to help you. Until when you're at some point, then they will advise you that then it is not advisable to live with that person. Okay. Then they will signpost you or make a referral to other agencies to support you.
Say me were in an abusive relationship. Metimi have documented sa niema no. Na say me mfa na say enkwada wo mu a. Say me the application to with intention say I was be free it's a relationship and I'm to me dem ho na idea would any success or otherwise affect nkwala wo woman na
nkwala wo mu na wo na wo ya wo de nkwala no so be ka ho na mu ina because na ekoso no affect nkwala no enso ti wo be ye ama wo ho na wa ye ama nkwala no enso especially say oba no na o go through violence no a Beman will go through violence and more often than not, he may wish to do it for himself. Because between Obane, Beman, I am and Kwalano, Obane chain and I'm waiting. But so Obane or Valenti Beman, then the position will be what becomes of Nkwalano. Abra adult way or abusive to the other adult. Then just away your body, I just Nkwalano, Nisheno, Eko di Beman the side, but that's a different conversation. And then you share say kobasa na nimpa no we suspect say nimpa we no e be do time we hear no so mboa wo no an e kwazu nti omboa wa what do you do?
And that was going to be my next question. Say what do I do? Me evidence no minim say me de kwa you between your application among kwada no any other. What do I do? What is the first step for me to take?
Yo nti na sena e boss no wo nyinaso a wo de ka na wo ka police evidence GP evidence charity support agencies evidence and then yes say wo gada bia wa gada wa story esa wo de kwadan obi a onim emra no wo de be lawyer enim but me a try say wa we ya wa de but obi a we go through this situation no now you are not even in the right frame of mind to know even what to do. Into the kwadai lawyer bet here with story, actually evidence no. Na say senior year boss no leave situation. Na nimpe ya odi winyen ono na osha we didie mu ne ade a they will assess you to see whether it should be granted a concession with the view to be given public fund access. Nti eno no yema 6 months. 6 months so we pass assessment in terms of destitute threshold no say we nye adwuma and say we ye adwuma se kana ebe ni so be man no ye bibia and say most of the things all of a sudden we ye kwesi a definitely won't mean ntina nti omoje wo a omama wo 6 months with the access to public fund. Then you move to the next stage to make application for settlement. Well, you make application for leave. As that leave will not be the limited leave ordinarily no. You'll be catapulted to indefinite leave to remain.
Yeah, say me prove say me wa abusive relationship no. I gather all the documents and evidence and everything. Me de koko tuma. Say me wa 10-year route no so kra na afi na me di emu 1 year kra na. You remember me indefinite.
So you make application for settlement under domestic violence. And it's about proving your case. If you're able to prove your case, Imran say there's no point so mama will taught. Now I say about all the time because you are dependent on sa nimpano or your partner no. Also abuse here. So how will this person be willing to help again? Then there's no point you say take and come back. You have to take and keep it forever.
Na say nkwala woman now apply for nkwala no
so omunyina benya
indefinite
yes,
at that time.
At that time because eya woni nkwala no omunyina na mu go through sa ade no.
Omuji sika for sa application.
Because say eya domestic violence and then already we prove say we are destitute be man o hwewa na we ekwesi enti ne obedi kra no temporary no I say aban na eboa wo. It's not just a your application already you've been assessed for fee waiver as a destitute person. It's your application you are free.
Oh, okay. Beyond that, I'm saying fire in common in here, but somebody might be thinking beyond that. Nipa na wa abuse wa abanya baby you were free mono. would the person's immigration status be affected in any way? The abuser? No?
Right. You see, the share situation sa inimpa we wa abuse na say twon ho efi no ho. And so what ho fi no ho, do you really mind na ebeto inimpa we ana? Una wo bo ho ban na wo twon ho aye den efi no. But you see that, so the next stage, they say, it was a local police station, it may be so say, do you want to press charges against her in Impaway? Okay. And in the interest of the wider community, is that we are dealing with domestic violence, domestic abuse. Well, I don't know, sir, whether domestic abuse will be discriminatory. So, over to me, I want to find you before fraud. It's case by case. Okay. If you are saying I will think or the yell. But she will be full fry, be on fire. So we cannot conclude say, obey that you will be full fry. But if it's a case of crime leading to assault, be it sexual, be it bodily harm or any form of physical, any form of assault there, then it leads into crime. In this case, have to be taken away from the public domain. To the extent says you have to then make application for what we call non-molestation order. So that in all obejai and in all so if you listen to me and chon when I bet you have to make application for non-molestation order. Now court I shall say to me yes sir in your man ya boss ya yet to me approve NTIA. And that's occupation order say unto my bano means na sa ifie no a wotimu no bi so no kopene be nti no bukwa kwatena na bukwa baby in the interest of owning nkwala na mo ide matna wo say koba say wontumi entu ede enfifie wo there so no ede efi eho then he will also be the person will also be given some perimeter wontumi ede on ma ho who say wo ba so go fa but I think our conversation is for people they are so concerned about minkratai be me no de me bae and no hear me say
that blackmail. Yeah. Okay, lawyer say
but anya be man kwa sometimes man so de man no ba no ma ba yen won sa.
I know. Whistleblower bem, right? Na ya frɛ Obano, and now see a friend or the abused. Let me put it that way.
The victim.
Or say we press charges. Now we cry nyahe. Nipa kro blow whistle no. Undi ni fear asemwa. Can the police insist to say yenyi nipa no in free situation no wonumu, even leading to the point to say the immigration bebema can say nipa no yenyi free situation. This is what is likely to happen because also depending on that sponsor. Nabia yefaso edi amani bibia. Say or cast on press charges and answer as seven year. You bet me a force no say can free situation. Because you are obviously being abused. You are doctor collaborating. Sorry, collaborating. We never for aka ni idea. Also still betting them. Sani pano. Also journey life man.
More often than not, obia obe to and among war senior worker no on person obakasa into obi ampo nim say bibi koso na obi ehu e na ono e deny say entisa and I say bibi ankoso sa but some kwala wo mu dia then it's not about you anymore. Okay. Because then we're looking at the safeguarding aspect of the children, welfare of the child. Then the police will get involved to see how they can protect nkwala no. But so we penny na we feel say na wote ho no. But then assessment be because so ashe say be anipa no or mental health be intina on feeling po say ye ne saa then wabe vulnerable person. Okay. But so we need the ho na we feel say punches no and can wo dia send the eja Your body.
So point in Cambodia. Anyway, I will say I'll be to me. Akoso afre ye number no ye 0208-123-1016 and 07399208468. Obe texting and say obe send the WhatsApp 07950422780. Obetimi ade o question ne o concern also ato yen platform and also say Facebook, say YouTube, whatever, or the tuswa yen sa ebeka na fe yede ama lawyer a year no. Doctors Adom say good evening, lawyer Charles and Brackway. Doctors good evening, Apomo to say o friends so yedo ebeto 07399208468 07399208468. Yeah, trying to call you, trying to text and so what Pacho, we maybe there was a question here I wanted to bring up. Okay, lawyer, me pese me hunu se mene obi ewarini jaya. How long does it have to take the person before he or she can claim any of the properties that I have? Mene obi ejai. One contested case na dia edi ebre kaka. How long does it have to take? The decent answer na nipa no e wo right to say obetimi a claim bibi. And now says one claim ni yegu aware no kra, then you don't have any right to even claim for anything.
Well, I mean, say properties involve you can make application to court for what we call financial order, and that's a settlement. But more often than not, say sika wo mu a wonim, sika nim so a wonim. Aware ni bi wo mu a ne awo mu ane say egu wi a bibia nim biem. But se bibi wo mu a wonim say be men ana say obai ejapade afa yanso ayeden. Even though if you so na buy, I contributed in one way or the other. Nti say mu wie na aware no gu a, the question is say baby am yate no enya ye fie why na obefa ejapade no. Bi a you keep joint account and I say individual account. Sika ewo mu nie, ebi a pension wo mu, ebi a say sa nyoma no nyina no you are aware say ewo mu. Nti wo aware no gu a, you then make an application for the settlement of some financial aspect, unless it's a casamono. Then you can make a request say, "Bia, ni I want to pay mu say." In the negotiation back also, there's a year juma na a copy court, na court a decide either amao. The question is say, how long? I want to believe say I'm a boss no. So when him say bibi wo mu a, won twan after a long time answer why then. I can say, "Ma fi na ma kai say property na ye nyina ye dia nti ye gi aware dia me ba ba gi me dia me refi." No, you be aware, especially nkwala wo mu a, you want to know how the children will be looked after. Nti why na obe support nkwala no, then you let the court know so that nkwala no edidie mu omo suku komu ene ntare o mehye mu no be ma no so anase oba no so a contribute bi. Most of the time na ya na mma no na ene nkwala no betena santi be ma no exercise den oboa ma ye share nkwala no. Se ko be se omu ni bi kra ejapadi bi anim ba obi aye na ejuma dia, then we are looking at earning capacity. Nti mu nyina mu na ye hwe mo earning capacity a ibi an de say equal there na so obi abetumi ahwe no ho a fine, but nkwala no omu wo mu no, you have to then look at nkwala no de no. Then you nti say nkwala ni mu a different conversation, but say nkwala wo mu a ye hwe nkwala no, say nkwala ni mu na say japade wo mu a, as soon as say aware no begu no, take steps to make an application for financial settlement so that we have what we call clean break. In the clean break in say ye wie yakata ye chikra yenye enemies but aware no ede ye ware biem egu kra. Yes, aware no egu, there's something binding you together, properties, and they say japadia a woman.
Question we a strike when I maybe so say has there been any contest to any awadia? Nipa or the claim no koye se bia ye ma me a dine way back ye mam we no. Ya ti be in some and your permanent free situation, especially here in the UK.
It's possible. Obviously, you wouldn't know about all financial settlement or ancillary relief cases. Now, it's possible, and it's case by case, depends on what we are talking about. Now, say, as a Japadia woman, know the you be who do do, you be who quite a fast way Japadino a buyer. Be a bemano, Baka say, I am me a Japadia. What the answer we should utine if ye. A Jumano crana win ye be. But who cran be a occasion so unja a Jumano fee. And that's only one day, no one share unqualified because child care the boarding. One I will carry, and also didn't tear day, and mao. And you said because of that, when to me and ye a Japadia, a yaw, no criteria. And so why you're mentioning of course, you're mentioning on the Japadia, including pension. They are share my men, your BWF and earning capacity. And then capacity is here now, we are going to bray. Quite ben soon a medidi. How much can I earn a year? If you are signing per way over the long period now, what bet's ne fear now? Why show mama wono? Ah, ye juma build pension, aye juma promotion no. Promotion is na the earning capacity eba. Upgrade na the earning capacity eba. Just say me earning capacity no swati because of the period na mabet na fi ahwe nkwalai na because of that nti wo ka say minishi nti na me de baaye no obi amfa na ode baaye dia no obviously say court na it was there was one time I discuss say see what my foforo so a etumi ba UK e ma UK e look into in the interest of nkwala no e che no ejapadia no ma ejapadia dey fair. Nti what is fair depends on nimpa oba no wom no ono na brabo na didie mu ene nkwala no so omu wom no omu ehwe emu nti pension ye bechem edan na mo wa ye bechem sika na omu wa ye bechem ebi abekeza ndi obi amfa ne de na yen yewe se dodo no enye ahe bia saka na ewomu a ebi abekeza oba no mfa ka no na wetumi de nkwala no aye akọ school. All these things, you know. So to answer your question, you know, it can be possible. Say, impano do onya ya no, ya be GB e dey account ba na dey no.
Okay. 0739920848. But you wo ye be question e wo ha. Or say she was my fiancée in Ghana. I sponsored her into the country, but she later told me she has arranged for marriage back in Ghana. I was hurt and we exchanged so many words. She packed her belongings and left the house. Can she use this against me? Very interesting question.
Right. And yen your buy and ono efifie ho say wenya obi and say na obi. And so let's analyze Pacho Jan was screen so my.
Okay.
I see she was my fiancée in Ghana. Oh, okay. Let's just say almost she worry. Okay.
And okofa no buy.
And now okofa no buy. You see, that's a risk. Senka oba mba worry wa ha. Nanka wajinat ni mu.
And oba na kan say waba be.
Obedu ye no.
Na ya gya baby aji.
I say
me wo kunu
wo. Sorry, mistake.
Yeah, okay.
Me bra.
So, we abuse.
I mean, enti papa no person o hwe say obetumi agina we so say ya abuse ana.
Can she use this against me? We'll say I was hurt and we exchanged so many, I think it's so many words. Or we
right.
Words. She packed her belongings and left the house. Sir, words on my exchange argument in there. Obetumi use against it ana.
Right. You see, you are building your case. You are building your case. So on this way, you know, basically, say if I say Obano, will be on so ordinary bank, I say, you know what, I don't even need you anymore to sponsor my next level leave application. But so Obano, I feel say, oh, nipa no amede me new cotton no new hobby into my back sign Jimmy. Na I feel the Oba Jimmy no, they be now will refer no. You are ungrateful, you are this. you are that. When you at this point, internet just say, I feel the cost. But that point in our car say, okay, all right, I thought all the things I've done for you, you've been ungrateful to me, blah, blah, blah. Now, I say, oh, no, no, boyfriend. Now we're parking in your man if you fear why. So on the way, you know, separation, well, I'm worried, so we can't even say separation. Let's just wait, you'll be out on the quine. And the question is, how?
Me and Makako Fawaba. Yeah, exchange of words. And no, pack on your man fee. No, you sure say, be a Obanako report to say she's being violated. Well, because Melania Casacasa and
well, it depends on the course, so you see, and what made him say what he said. Imagine Obano so it may confirm say yes, I told him some penny because he will be. Okay. Well, the Beman is also being violated here. Honestly, anybody. Momentarily, no, it be an kind of way meaning or the yaw and or the kind of kind. Okay. Until also reactive as a result of or no reactive because of yaw no. Now or balance are reactive because of a yaw no DP if you ho. In fact, so call and one maybe. Okay. Or so maybe. Like I said, worry no enti or coffee no buy so mo baba on em koso. Because we see more relationship, more worry. Normally, Nisa, what if you see ni bar? Obakasa or ba na mo ba ma ba worry ewa ha say. Na waji 2.5 no day. Amano. Enti eno kran du ho na obai feel say we nya na obenya and that's why you mistake in the first place. Enti relationship no ada say ewo ekoso wa Ghana and that's ebe pia abrochi no o say ompebiem. So ompebiem dia and the oba no so limited leave na the man no so mra no meware no ewu a how does she continue? And be may be say obetumi use ni ameka no e da akwaje domestic violence ade bia na you see domestic violence then it's a catalog of events. And you one. Okay. Send the enka bebre abuse because catalog of events and it wouldn't just be physical but the extent of physical abuse. Emotional, extent of emotional abuse, financial, extent of financial abuse, and how it came about, and how long it's been. The same people will be for whatever reason, Obano manu who say we bunu kwasia, and all the yaw can say, oh, I thought say blah 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 blah. Not because of the awakening tea, me boyfriend no me fifia. On the scale of 1 to 10, we can only place it somewhere in the middle, but she will struggle to prove the threshold for domestic violence. Okay. 03799208468. Who be the question? A comment to be up to. This is breach of marriage. That's what I'm worried. Promise. That's the promise. Okay. Breach of promise. Now, Uncle Ben can't watch some. It was a Friday. The conversation was about. Can you sue the other party if the person breaches the promise to marry? So on that basis, this person can then look at that. But say bankrupt, some say or buy it may take advantage of situation. Wow, say shemwa, why abuse me? We boom kwasia. Now I can be my boyfriend, Mr. Maka can be one off. Now I park on your me call. I could share me dog for crowd baby. What could you say? No, please. Thank you. We will argue. Please now can the pa. 037992684208468. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, boss.
Afternoon.
You. But your maoneso kakrama me.
Yo.
Okay. But your lawyer how it you why?
What asam get to webina ni bisa say about EU dear no.
EU dear,
Na me ankasa me de ka ye application by 2019 more. Romo refuse we and a call courts. Na later on afie mu no omo atwero brem say me settlement me EU settlement no. And me anti me ankasa before no so one say je krum ha de ba na say won she da nini ma address some ne proof of address na kon say na ho den kakra nti be ya wa edem o fa decision mi ti ya wa da no mo chro ba say enye me approve baby na especially the me approve no so no and say gina say before I make application 6 months and me application me approve baby proof of address be and I say baby express na me wa ha and I know so be 2020 June between June 2020 and June 20 December 2020 no and also me approve baby and a marriage certificate and then because say the also me approve be you know the best 6 months time answer my me answer na me approve me debe to no me be approve baby 6 months time na yeah settlement na me na say last 3 years the na me yeah no and no more can so minim samoti ase year dia na say me
okay
na say minim the omo semen me approve be June 2020 and June December 2020 no and also I'm there approve and also no the proof of address was one HS and Wahana because me application one can some blah letters and no as if one say address was there no meet me the aquana without a no idea the shed any bisa and I may pay you check out said this it so Martin has the idea
Ma you hear say lawyer bit me about when you know.
Patcho it is saying when you what to say
Yami adumayo
good yo me patcho edi kan wo say we application e me refuse here e court e bo
I no man phrase am no da bi o mon frɛ
aba wo de kwadan court
ai
wo de kwadan court
ai
ama omo etwin break anas asam na nkoso omo ni asam no
wo mon frɛ kura da na wo mo home office na asa twop dia blame say me ye you settlement scheme you know yes me ai
yo
nti no na maye ai dem say
nti wo de yemfa ne say wodi nkunim wo court and now mujina so ka say we di nkunim ti afi because normally no so wo ye no wa ha say na e court because say ade no ewie ni nti 20 June 2021 deadline no you say yentumi yes ade no bi unless wa court mo we di nkunim ye the letter no ba brel say afi gina letter we so faye ade no a we ye no kane no a yamfa ama wo no we mo enso ye new application so what just here Nti why you know I want to maybe say you have to show say now we have certain times. And to maybe say normally no nyoma mo kan na wakan for 6 months evidence I just now we chrome up to time our application. And now my specific for June to December the so bra. Unfortunately no so mo ka say fa bra we hear bibia within e was so address e was so ne date e was so date na HSS that time na ya hye no omo ebisa no o fall within pacho just here and address no so kire say ampa na wuti kuro yi mu because address ni so how do we tell say ye krom ha document na within so kire say ya wo a nti unfortunately so omo ka say fa bibi bra within a certain period as say what they call na woni bibia within was so address was so and I say date to kra was so na ye hu say dey we ye de ma wo krom ha receipt bi sa and I say what are they online me ship braille and I say what kwaje contract bi phone contract am I the document ni ma o ni ade woni bibia sa
I don't know me wo sa date ne dia no na bi e be ha adwene 2020 June ho no ba afi de me wo afi de ne dia me wo ba last 2 years de no 2020 the na am say bia be yeden
because the encho mo bisa for between June and so wa the no ya woni wo yere
I'm yere yes
and wo can say wo ware wo yere no na bia before June 2020 na woni no wo ho me bo a
anokwa de 2019 no 2019
well, either way before June 2020 na woni no
na me ne wo ho
until say before June 2020 na woni no wo ho de a bi ompe bibi agina so say ampa edi kan na wa ha 2 na bibi kra or na woni wo yere there. So apart from marriage certificate you know, ayo mu hia bibi foforo. Tenancy agreement you cry to me boa.
Why? Okay. No more letter no. One more letters or more than my means where one more cafe letters or more than my be free or more.
Yeah, I had
And also no intimate so about June
letter date ben was so.
I was so June I was so September 2020.
And you letter what throw ma.
A letter refusal letter.
Yeah, now one sanga no then we use you quiet there now you refuse so.
And on the application one make us
yeah, but one sanga we need document be mpacha wa jazz here. Into what you can do is what the letter no kwa koma won na wait tie no mbeka.
Okay.
So we need she and I want to obey you so. Why? But what tenancy agreement is so baby. I would just show the community idea. A big crowd now landlord no agreement, but for a long time no na also the bama I feel the way we say we here which me akwaji with tenancy agreement na just say date na was near old date no.
Okay.
Why? And what me so at the was some akodan lawyer bi na we di we nim say nyina so which me nyina so abo why?
I know intina you intina say na 6 months the more kasa answer the application na the settlement no more ka.
Well, so application I want the latest one I want
latest one, okay.
Yeah, we pay BBH. So old one they refuse ma wedding.
Okay.
The new one I want no say still an ye pay BBH say na wo krom ha. So every way.
Okay.
Two documents, two pieces of evidence. Back for the 6 months before the application. Na back June to December. Just be aware your application May. So document na June to December no say December document and no crowd to cover 6 months no.
Oh yeah.
Better say would you kill 2 birds. If you went do the maths. Why?
You patch you. But madam as part to the about you why madam
0739920848. Me for back na fi the next introduction. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Basho, that is say. Yeah.
So we are at no.
Adwa.
I'm also. Yes, bravo. Meow.
And then what? Yeah, me up to me. And
Mechia lawyer Asmah so.
Mechia Antuba.
Lawyer Pacho me wa semia kan bi am pese mbusa me Pacho na say lawyer for my sister and I'm what time ka say bibia by a friend super priority. Na me Pacho more yes say our priority na application for Sunday super abeka on me boa na me Pacho dey ka kan am pese mbusa me say sa ade we so omo milk amount for Eunice cake because say lawyer for come one year here but them say your lawyer for advertise say we yan tam dia ko super no and that we can everything for can you do that priority or say at the audio no for the super ba na 800 na be kan you can na me say ka lawyer for nkamu ka se me enye na ujina yetiga so amu think get me nko santo kwai kakra because they obi dey 11 months obi yes super or your priority are 4 days yes super yeah 24 hours me ba jo they making like say mu on betinya eduma no but ka na mu painting na sabi o mo say yen kwai super no
I was a lawyer for near the day.
Nka lawyer for mu ye dede mai kakra say hinya ye do sika no ho di na tamuka se yenkoye super no so dia na ye bo mo go krom ha me wo de bibia ye start na ye na afa be ye mra
yeah and to ba wo
so Rebecca ka free no grandma
and to ba wo
bibia me pa cho me wo
good teamwork so somebody can start the crusade. Now I gather momentum. Just like when we started crusade, say, and you find so be a win court, almost at the end of the year and Friday and Mano. ankrofo bebre je omo hu ji mu a eventually minister be mu a omo yi sa ade ni fi ho no enti whilst we are waiting for lawyers to take that initiative no we crowd betumi start it say I want to champion this so it will be antobam petition nan enti ano so eho but a good point because it's not fair say ye chase kanu na wo de ama da ye ntua no dia na just say 6 months 1 year na when you then unfama nipa no it's not fair at all. Super priority no for nkrofo mo ye skilled worker application no. Why? Antobam no ye for skilled worker for no e so mo hia nkrofo say o meye edwuma mo a NHS. Nti no we ya ye be say what standard, what priority and it's a super priority. Super priority no.
So omo ne hia nti wo so nkomo.
And not say ana Antobam can say akwesika. It is utumi tua nko ade a within 5 days na won saka. Utumi tua 3,200 within 5 days na won saka. Wentumi enche na utua 2,600 there.
No nko 3,200.
For application fee any NHS. IHS no for so we call 2.5 application. Now we person we priority. Now we tua 3.2 no.
I super priorities is here.
But super priority no. Super priority na make say it's mainly for skilled workers side.
Okay.
But skilled worker super priority na 1,047. Priority no is 747. And normal one is 247. They jump.
And then it will 11 months is it?
You call super priority for the super there. Almost for super my. But me I just say 100 there no cano. But Antobam, it's a good point that we raised.
It's a very good point.
Right. And yeah, we'll take that into consideration.
Okay. Antobam, that's a show. Okay. Mami caught na fi memfa sa introduction yi mra na se de munim no jimedi sabe nya menkwa na medie mewo meni aba na mighty a oboa enso ema yeden koma oh wow udi sama na to say ono no wasa me too aden
I don't cry me ho ya na won so e
ya me adom boko na enede na ko
wan wan say enkwala na atwem esi town.
That's right.
If when then na ye ma kwan ya na nkwala no emma wo kwan say ugusu na wo nantenante sa nti no and then me ne omonkwa but me fa nchi akese emma etiefo na ahwefo etiefo bi checha obi biara my special weekend na yenso ye wa na rekumi nim so me ho kwan me questions be me no yenso but hey la say Asmah pacha me din chake salute.
Oh prof we asa me professor bi na kire English e we UCC.
I see. Okay.
Anyway, it's your question na lawyer MY won.
Mati question back on and say abrantie bi oba kromu ha 2005 nti we calculator when you 17 years wa ha na oba ye no nyame nim ne kure no ye adwuma kakra o de visit dey na buy but obenye bi ne na mu aye adwuma kakra na unfortunate event happen to na oyare and spinal cord or undergo operation and surgery by 3 times na sisi akoba ne say ontumi kra enanti ontumi kra engina ne na so nto crutches mu and for all these years ne nuanom na eboa no sisi ade omo nyina se omapem because omo amu nso omo ho kire omo abrantie yi eni nkrata tese oni hwe ena ato omo adwenven na obisa se obetumi akọ ni 17 years no odi atum na yaboa no on the grounds na oyare up and down na nke amano na ontumi enya boa kakra fi aban ho ana until the question no
I'll be prompt with a response. Yes, this is exceptional circumstance. Even though I'm rather say so 20 years, and some years application. These are some of the things are Emma Embrano, Aya Embra. Embra is supposed to promote the welfare, well-being of people, not to punish. And so even though I'm rather say 20 years to qualify for 2.5, no, nimpa no kind of 3 years.
Yeah.
It be a nan to numpo. For dignity's sake, no, at least something to live. So that he can go about. Because obviously, no, I say, Uncle Nukrumwa, or Uno Bewu. And this is the clear evidence, or Mr. Sobo medical report, a lot of evidence to show, say, his is exceptionally exceptional, and therefore should be considered. Yes.
Okay. Yo, me da say me bo mama ne and second one also abrantie kama sa one ne yire na omware ya che omoba penin kra scrampo enya ebeko secondary school in that just say no our secondary school I think year 9 enti na che say omware kra no emre atom na ne akoba ne say yenti asienti a yenim lawyer prodigal man no and still a branty ushemre a or the worry the yiri and kanyame ukraine ko say by now we nya indefinite but still a order so I think sa 10-year route ne so mewa no so no ono so eyare ye e wo hospital ma ye yi no ni on and off ntama we gya edwuma nso wanya benefit ya e trade memu because na ye man no or ye no recourse to public funds for ni bi. Sesi ahokyeraba kyerɛ sɛ srɛsrɛ no asrɛ efren crofo de bia srɛ na to up to when na obegu so a dignity na kyerɛ sɛ de bia wo srɛsrɛ ofra okra na wo se a oba be srɛ no no ene nipa ho ade ye de be srɛ no nti obisa kwan be no be fa so na ɔma yenyi saa ade efre ne so na nka no nso enya benefit kakra ne hoto na adwuma ne de opeso because na oye adwuma pa enti ono so bisa kwan ben de na so oye koba ne se meto ne fo kakra se dodo na boa no control letter na omo mfanka say yes omo na omo boa ne kakra ba one or two people so e ka tro mo I say hu abo mo because omo mpese e be sro mo say se wo na oboa ne dia fa statement mra ye nhwe enti omo so hu abo mo obi ampese obetro letter na mpese nka wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra edema abranti ene dodo na mpese omoboa no mo hu say we bia ni hosa anase bisa akra wo ho a kwan be na so fa so a entumi emba de sa patwa daroma.
Yo, Medasi Bebre, I'm sorry to hear about the plight of Eunice. We wish him speedy recovery. Sina waka so so yarisa. Now, through that, no wabe quote unquote destitute or imminent destitute. And ti sana etie dia obetumi ade akodan aban say ontumi nhwe no ho. Nti omun yi saa condition final dia no so na wetumi age aban embo a kwesi ebra obetumi aye ejuma ahwe no ho ebiem. Se na wo boso no so ntumi nhwe no ho wan na eboa no. Isho so nkrofo na omoboa won no omo doso. Nti dodo a omeye willing, prepared to understand say omoboa no and they don't really mind whatever the impact will be on them no. They will step in to help. But they almost said there will be nothing about affecting one. Because the first I was born in Pano, interest say, omuhua, omama ubi bi abo, debi. Papa na wo ye abwa obi. The worst case scenario is somebody say, okay, if I was so dear ebra, but I will back and say, yes, me buano, but I can't go beyond na me de buano no. And now I'm say me buano, but say I'm so me watching me. It mean to me buani biu. Yes, my bank statement. I don't know, can you simply say, sir, my bank statement, no, I am a bank statement. Mwana me de buano, to me farmer, no. Then we tell the case worker, say, the friend is not willing to share a personal document, a bank statement. So a family member there are different. Because family member will have a duty to support another family member. In that case, no, yes. Ordinary statement, but so a friend there won't mean for soon say, on find a statement, then, embra. And also interest say, now all cano and no correct. In the statement about or the baku crack to swear fine, just to prove. And I said the proof of address to swear. But what shall say? On finding in 6 months embra. Obit me a catcher and say, Nadam from say on farm, and I said, Nadam from which mattress, I'm sorry, I cannot offer all my 6 months bank statement. Yes, I help him, but to ask for my statement, no. Then the argument will be say, are they going to punish him to say they won't give him because of the fact that the Namfuno is not willing to provide in the way na and a argument.
Okay. Now, I feel so no send a family member no person one on also that will benefit is one. Not just say who I am more benefit no. When you be an also what they showed. It's your no some the young
oh, I mean, sir, ni ya obwani sebio na oye ejuma na yarinti akobanesa.
Yes.
And what sort of family member will you be if your brother, your own blood is suffering and you can't help? I mean, there's no law ever can say family member is suffering. Now I buy boa na udi bi boa no because of that I buy na ade boa no be jai because why your papa no. A case by case an argument I will put you forward no na better assume. Nti aya na nkofo bohu bebre unnecessarily. But the man no can say o family member na eboa wo a improve say ontumi mwa wo beyond na oboa wo no. E ho no obeka say me kra na ban na eden eboa me. Enti minyan embro so amama aboa wo ema na abro so.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Obi abawrem quickly nti yemfa no ansane akoye yem quiz no na. But you don't so hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Apomye.
Adom ne humobro na so.
Yankopon adom. Me pacho me wo question ba ku bia me pese me busa. Me pacho me a student wa ha me ba for 2 years.
Okay.
By me pese me uni me nya oba nka me ne eya ware. Ba ono so okra
in ware yenye ya ware. Wonya o she ba so ware no. Ya ware ade say mo ko draw bibi up to bibi so na.
Okay. Yeah, ware. By me in 2 years wa ha and I ono so okra indefinitely leave to remain. Na mpacho aware no ebetima en wa ha and I say adise ko fie ko ya ansa na ya pa.
No, you need a student.
You're a student. 2-year visa.
Yes.
And
a student visa.
A student visa, maybe.
Student visa.
And Obana, we no so ekuta indefinite.
Yes.
Your wife to be ekuta indefinite.
Yeah.
Now bisa say mo betimi aware wo ha and say wo ko Ghana na mo ko ware na mo de aba.
Mpacho ai.
Okay, line.
Your place of marriage, you know, senior you know, a choice, but that choice is dependent on a warrior. Embra yashishe afa a warrior ewasa or mine no so no eho. In this more person more worry wo UK or memu a we contact council. Na council no a wo no. It is na mo the same council. Contact the council. Council no ba ma nhihye a ewo ho. Some qualify make say you can't. That means with the core council or UK memu it will still be the same.
Well, I hear more mean scenario. We could indefinite, we could limited leave to remain. Indefinite, say restriction in
we are indefinite restrictions. But I worry now because I was worry wo kromu ho ha. Ayana certain criteria where I say we meet. Into the call home office cry it may be so say we need permission to marry and so warrior na nti normally no our council no na friends register marriage nti for example whatever counselor conditions are no or the bema so that making that choice to marry here or to marry from home no is clearer. Since this time be back but you I can't say this is the best way. So as I say wofi no ho na wo ba wo ba ka chance wo ba wo de offense ni e ba na mo abaware nti ye ba mamu krata chance mo ba ware wa ha na sa hanso na mo wo na wo ye student we hia wo yere mo ba ware na o person who say are we marrying here and I say nkwa ware wo fie no edimi tumi ware wa ha edimi tumi ware e wo fie na wo eni gsam e wo mu ni say mo hia wo ha senti mo ehu mo ho. Yes, you don't necessarily have to go back and marry.
Because meet condition.
No meet condition. In a Ghana, Mransu say you can marry by proxy. Internal so no, which me ejina so the idea the answer say why worry we no. Now why application no ewo ahase nti in the same way no wo 2.5 wa enwuye oba no so tumi to kwan ma ne yeye ene se bibia ni ho ebesi mu kwan na se mo hwehwe mu wa ha na anyeye a it's even better se mbekọ holiday abusuafo no nyina atena se na aware no abaso ewie no makwa aban mu akoye ho nkrata na mode aba mu mienu nyina nso eden ewo ho. So you have 3 options. Say ubetna ha ye if you qualify. And say ubetna ha na mo aye no fie proxy. And say mo beko fie na mo akoye na aba. Ni na no. But while worry in the next stage in say what is the probability say aban baji atumu say me ne meyere entena na yen ware sene aye ware no because nkwala eden enim. Ehon na aye na akoye 50-50 argument because nkwala enim nti omufi say munko fie na munko eden munko ware. Apart from that no I'm aware say students are able to switch from student route to the skilled worker route. And that is another option ubetumi say we yere no eji tumu say ubetumi consider sa option no a ubetumi consider. In this case no oba no mpo enhia so obe sponsor will leave. You can do it under the new provision, skilled worker route. So when you ejuma omama or contract, say now omama or sponsorship on the dia, ube to me ayasa dia no. Provided say, tell my ube no now this
why? You don't have to panic. Just seek advice and they choose the correct one. So
okay. Yo, Mati. Medasi.
All right, Mr. Medasi P. Now, I'm saying, enter your quiz and so now fi. Yankofa enkomo emra obi text ni I can't see comments again. I don't know. We still see the comments nti obetimi ade aba. Okay, now yan quiz segment no na medrus sisia na lawyer ne na mama menko na fi menkofa emra. We was say Atubam, we facha me say and them do dinner question.
Ni nuano a.
Ni nuano. So where the coffee? Ono so the coffee.
You know me say ni nuano. So mo ina ya wo Friday.
Okay.
Papa baako.
Atubam facha me. I was say Kofi Atubam was convicted on 15 May 2010 of assisting unlawful immigration and possessing an unlawfully obtained immigration card and also of failing to surrender to custody at the appointed time. Hey, massa, wo kra so ho ahomete Kofi. One kasa yese akofo bi aba amfa emra kwan so immigration krata ekura wa card ekura wa eno kran so eno so eya asemfoforo ye fra wo nye chi wo ne se brana eya eno so ye sa fra wa once anko at appointed time. The circumstances of these offenses were that he was trying to arrange the illegal entry of his mother and brother to the UK. He was sentenced to 16 months imprisonment. 16 months. However, Kofi has 3 children who are all British citizens. He appealed against his deportation. And when you, Kofi atomra ama ye hwanachino. Emrano enya so ne mu no na ye de no koto mu 16 months. Me ba cho me pese wo hwe sa ade we. Ma me enko ha na ehwe we said. The law separates foreign criminals who have been sentenced to terms of imprisonment into 2 categories. Those sentenced to at least 12 months, but less than 4 years, medium offenders. They can avoid deportation if they can establish that its effect on a qualifying child or partner will be unduly harsh. Exception 2. Okay, so lawyer. Okay. Those sentenced to at least 4 years, serious offenders, can avoid deportation. First one is say 12 months. Kai say Kofi Antobam the saying 16 months. Inti wapa medium no ho. Ekọ the other one no. We more clues kakaka.
Yes. So between 12 months but less than 4 years.
Less than 4 years. Inti
so it's a range.
Medium offender. Okay, thank you. Lawyer Ohanti, minti. Those sentenced to at least 4 years or serious offenders can avoid deportation if they establish that there are compelling circumstances over and above those described in exceptions 1 and 2. So HA rack case no any. Nti yanko question no so. Na the obisa NSA say appealer a year Kofi Antobam Ayen. What is the likely outcome against his deportation? 1. Appeal will be allowed because he has 3 British children and a partner. 2. Appeal will be allowed because it will cause unduly harsh conditions to his children and partner. Operative word be 3. Appeal will be dismissed because he is a foreign criminal. Kofi Antobam was convicted on 15 May 2010 of assisting unlawful immigration and possessing an unlawfully obtained immigration card and also failing to surrender to custody at the appointed time. Now, let's start rolling now and see what answers we can get. Alexa say, Atiano, Alexa say, number 2. Remember now, so now?
Yes.
Kofi Antobam na what you know.
Antobam, no matter for my thing say, the appeal will be allowed because cause unduly harsh conditions to the children and any partner.
Okay.
I'm saying on by
and number 2.
Number 2.
Alexa say a day abano. All from so emfa ebi emra na yenge. Ebeye answer bay. Nanaya chimwa say number 2. Okay, so number 2 is reigning now. Antobam na nkasaba. The Antobam himself is here. Antobam say number 2. Okay, right. Who else? Well, lawyer, mami call back to Adeno. I'm saying Ebreno Eche and Kakra. Inti mami ento emma say.
Right. So the case you have cited, the case of H.A. Iraq versus the Secretary of State, UK Supreme Court case 2022 fresh, because it came in July. Volume 22 is clear. Say, Nimpano. Yeah, sentence, no, yes, but we look at the threshold of sentence or conviction. It nakotum 12 months to less than 4 years. Then 4 years and above. Yeah, she yeah, bracket, 12 months there, no, because I say 16. So I tell you a medium offense. But what are the exceptions? Exception has to do with human rights. Okay. Right to family life, right to private life, and compelling circumstances. And the compelling circumstances could be yare any other things that will be bosso. Now they can say because of that, wouldn't you say wukukuno. Now, say Yebeka ya a chepa guy ya okudi bone on terrorism and person you could fear UK fight ya Abu Qatar is it? Okay, say DB. You fight here, say almost they will torture him to death. And on human rights grounds, sometimes the offenses are, even though I say deported, certain things will trigger, say, they have to make an exception. So that your right will outweigh the public interest. Now, right to Ben and to Bamuwa, outweigh public interest, say, you never caught the crew. Or one Kalamian. Nkwalai omo ye nkwala ahoho omo ye British for. Nkwalai omo ntumi ndi omo pejiri nko. Nkwalai so dan omo papa. Because of that no omo hia omo papa say obewo around regardless of the bonny any prison either wako aba. And because say ye medium ti a folly within this, which is the human right. Into the human right will outweigh the government public interest duty or one. Into Yeshua or court and a court can say because of Nkwala and the partner na a woman in tea, an exception must be made to stop the deportation. And therefore appeal will be allowed because it will cause unduly harsh consequences or conditions to the children and the partner involved.
Okay. I was for your answer no. Number 2 said the lawyer a day at her a man. Now, uchai.
But show me try and dance it.
But let me sound a note of caution, say, exceptional and my liberty to do as we wish. Liberty when I say, hey, they say the liberty be about Mr. Freedom for criminals. And your freedom, sir, please. And your freedom, sir. Now you can say, show who ye. But I come say, wash it, na bibia koba. Mra no be share kwan obefa so a ode wo fa hodie ebema wo ba sa fa hodie enye nea wo betoto na ase wa to atwe na wasen akofa as you please. So let's all be careful. We are in a foreign country, so we have to what? Abide by the rules of our acceptance.
Yeah, lawyer, any na say him say yebre no aye ebre enti yebe pager yemu. But Adena and oops, where am I now? Adena would a giant sana yapj mona yade aseda ade ama.
Today we have looked at the nugget, which was clear that if you are a foreign criminal and you have been convicted and sentenced 12 to at least 12 months to less than 4 years, and you have family, children, partner in the UK, your deportation can be stopped according to the current case law and also Section 32 of the Borders Act 2007. And if yours is more than 4 years imprisonment or conviction, and you have very compelling circumstances based on your personal circumstance, that can also be stopped, provided you can prove that. The main discussion was on how to apply for leave to remain if you are a victim of domestic violence. We said that a lot of abuse occurs within the family setting, and this could be financial, emotional, psychological, physical, sexual, and what have you. If you are the victim, it's your case to prove that this has happened and this is the evidence, and you have taken active steps to seek help and to avert that from happening again to you. If you have done all that, then the law is that the leave should be granted without the support of the sponsor who first helped you to get your leave. In this case, you'll be given indefinite leave to remain, provided you are able to prove and evidence your claim. This is the conversation so far for today. Therefore, if you are a victim or you know anyone who is a victim, it's our duty to protect people. Therefore, tell the person that there is help for you. Speak to a lawyer who understands the rules, and they'll be able to use the law to help you obtain your leave indefinitely without the need to subject yourself to continuous abuse simply because this person is your sponsor and they are taking advantage to abuse you continuously. We believe that we've been able to help you to answer the question how to make this application. Please do not hesitate to contact us again should you need help with any of the things we have mentioned, including more. Thank you for being with us once more.
Okay, now, Adrosa.
Yes, Reku, Medansi, it's for Munia Baby, Munina Sitze, and then so many deep said, Medium, Napi, Pepe, Damasi, and Kayaboka Kra, Mede, Mamo, Abribiani say, Senamea Domna Opese, Oba Kromoha as carer, Pesofa, health and care route, so, and the back Kroma be Juma, and Kachi, Daso air cop, then Yamia Domina sponsors, Nibi. Into no obetumi a contact catered consult for na yetumi ejinemu the amount nemo ne nyina no you can't just do it without the English test no it is a opesa ultra English test no na pass ye dia and the mesre o say but modern na be hu ye be kire opan a obefa so a obe pass ye na ye deporto sponsor anima we say mo why are dear even though we be say pass mark keke ne ehwehwe na ya nakase bi a meka ne say o kita just pass ne keke na obi nso kita ne we nim se wo ye employer wine there na wo be peke wo be di kan apeke sa na tie enti no mesra obra na enkyerɛ wo yi na pass with high score se na be ya wo betumi e de nya sponsor no na wo so abakru mu abaye dwuma enti ne damase na bohu ye na ma no e wo board ne so na ma frɛ ya me hyira oreku kwacho mewi.
Okay, and mede wo AC na maka say yami inshallah say o join me and we were live on BWTV, BW Radio and our things so live BWF Solicitors Facebook and YouTube and LinkedIn and BW Communications Facebook and YouTube. How to apply for leave to remain as a victim of domestic violence and resource person Charles Asmah ebechechemu ade emayen bigidi yes wo question wo concern be wentimi amfam reyin ewo ye program you so you can contact BWF Solicitors or maso ye omo 214-218 Tottenham High Road no so Seven Sisters North London or ye Monday to Friday Efi anopa 9:30 ekopim enyumre 6 o'clock Saturday any weekend appointment in kwa fair one was 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and 077 127 61884. Yes, I see BWF Solicitors has been in existence for 30 years. Senior partner practicing for about 30 years in this country. And in August, there's a big announcement coming. Watch this space. And your day, the community and the law. Mr. Director and Producer Manager, I say Professor Ade. Sanso and Padmo Dudu and Sri Lanka. Say Omoteche, Shania Manina, my lawyer for BWF Solicitors, Lawyer Ben, Uncle Ben, and T. Eunice or Lawyer Eunice, Lawyer Richard, Lawyer Patrick, Lawyer Asmah, and then Oba and Ebedi Ijumedi. And Omo administration front desk and the support workers and everybody accounts and all the people at BWF Solicitors. We are saying thank you so very much for supporting us in so many diverse ways. The program, and I also thank you so much. You've been very valuable to me, and I want to invite you again same time next week on the program The Community and the Law. Your friend Ureku, friend Paul. Good evening.
My everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything.